Welcome to our video on JavaScript design patterns. Design patterns are reusable solutions to common problems in software development. They provide a proven approach to designing and implementing code that's maintainable, efficient, and scalable. Using design patterns can help you write cleaner, more maintainable code. They promote good coding practices and make it easier to understand complex systems. The Singleton pattern ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. The factory pattern provides a way to create objects without specifying the exact class of object that will be created. The observer pattern allows an object to notify other objects about changes to its state. Let's create a practical example of using design patterns in JavaScript. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when using design patterns. In this video, we covered the basics of JavaScript design patterns and how to apply them in real-world scenarios. If you want to learn more about design patterns in JavaScript, check out the resources below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below.